Today we're going to explore writing riddles. When you read and write a riddle, it's like you're a detective or a spy. You follow clues. You write in code. What's a riddle and a riddle poem? A riddle is a statement or a question with a hidden meaning. It's a puzzle to be solved. A riddle poem is a riddle that's written in the form of a poem. Let's look at some riddles together so you can get a feel for the way they work. Here are a few good ones. I have streets but no pavement. I have cities but no buildings. I have forests but no trees. I have rivers but no water. What am I? The answer is a map. Get it? A map shows streets, but they're not real streets with pavement. Here's another one. You may enter, but you may not come in. I have space, but no room. I have keys, but open no lock. What am I? Answer: a computer keyboard. Get it? A computer keyboard has an enter key. You may enter, but you may not come in. And it has a space key. I have space, but no room. It's kind of like a joke. So, writing a riddle poem. It's kind of like the reverse of solving a puzzle. You have to start with the answer. So first, choose something to write about. The thing you pick will be the answer to your riddle. Next, think of clues that will lead someone to guess the right answer. Imagine you are the thing you're writing about. Describe yourself. You can use sentences such as, I look like, I sound like, you find me, I have, I am, I feel. Use your imagination. Think of creative descriptions. For example, if your thing is round like a ball, you could say it's shaped like the earth. Once you have a couple of ideas, try adding the second half of the phrase, which starts with but. Here's an example. I'm a green ball, but I don't bounce after I'm popped from my green house. I'm good to eat, but not with a fork. I'd help teach the alphabet, but I can't talk. What am I? Answer: a pea. Get it? The greenhouse is the pea pod. I don't bounce after I'm popped from my greenhouse. Peas don't bounce. And pea sounds like the letter name, P. The one that I had a question about was, it says, I'm good to eat, but not with a fork. Now, I eat peas with a fork, but I guess it means when you eat peas with a fork, they fall off. I think that was what it meant. Anyway, now you try it. Remember these rules. Don't give away the answer by using the exact word in your riddle. Don't write more than 5 or 6 lines at most. Riddles should be easy to remember. It doesn't have to rhyme, but it can if you like. And always end with the line, what am I? When you're done, send a picture of your riddle poems to your teacher. This is tricky, but it can be really fun.